in the day, the Supreme Court began hearing the plea of Mukesh Singh, one of the 4 death row convicts in the 2012 Delhi gang rape and murder case. Mukesh has pleaded against the dismissal of his mercy petition by President Ram Nath Kovind and argued that he had a living death in Tihar jail and it is a ground for commutation of his death sentence. Here's more.
Justice to Nirbhaya, delaying tactics by convicts. Mukesh Singh, one of the 4 Nirbhaya case convicts set to be hanged on February 1st, has challenged the rejection of his mercy request by the President of India, citing non-application of mind. Appearing for Singh's senior advocate, Anjana Prakash said Mukesh was sexually abused in Tihar jail and he had a living death in prison. Reading out from Mukesh's plea, the counsel said the suicide of one of the accused was in fact a murder, but it fell on deaf ears. Mukesh's counsel argued that at every stage, Supreme Court has to apply the mind because it is a matter of someone's life. Supreme Court judge questioned the reliability of claim. A 3-judge bench headed by Justice R. Bhanumati asked advocate Anjana Prakash as to how they can claim that all the facts in the case were not placed before the President when he dealt with the mercy plea. How can you say that these facts were not placed before His Excellency the President? How can you say that there was non-application of mind by the President? Justice Bhanumati asked about the reason for raising the point of solitary confinement. Counsel Prakash said that it was a ground for commutation from death to life term and submitted that the report on it was not placed before the President. Convict cites solitary confinement for commutation. Mukesh said that certain supervening circumstances, including solitary confinement and procedural lapses, have been ignored while considering his mercy plea. He had sought an urgent hearing on his plea against the dismissal of the mercy plea. The Supreme Court will announce its decision on the convict's petition on Wednesday. The trial court had issued black warrants for the execution of all the 4 convicts, Mukesh Singh, Pawan Gupta, Vinay Kumar Sharma and Akshay Kumar at 6 a.m. on February 1st. Delay tactics to stall hanging by convicts. Last-minute petitions by the convicts have been widely seen as desperate attempts to stall their hanging. Meanwhile, a dummy execution of the 4 death row convicts was performed at the Tihar jail on Monday. This was the 3rd instance of the jail authorities performing the dummy execution in order to test the equipment which will be used to hang the convicts. A News 9 report.